ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with meteorologist Bill Guile. Brought to you by the Preserve Sporting Club and Resort.
Good morning, everyone. We are going to be looking at a nice spring day today, and our average high for this date is 58 degrees. We're going to exceed that easily across the region, but not set any records. We're just going to be in the 60s, though. Hey, notice the sunset today, 7:26. We're getting pretty close to that 7:30 time frame. So, yeah, days are continuing to get longer. All right, here we are starting things off this morning. We're mostly in the low and mid 40s throughout most of Rhode Island, but there are some cooler spots in any valley location right along the western part of the state, especially as you get down towards Hope Valley, where it's still hovering right around 30 degrees at the, well, that was the top of the 6 o'clock hour. I think we'll jump up quickly when the next report comes in after 7 a.m. Taunton also same story with a cool spot at 30. But again, as we look across the rest of the country, the temperatures are much warmer back through the Ohio Valley, and that air mass is coming right at us. And we're going to be seeing temperatures today out in the nation's midsection through the Mississippi River Valley heading well into the 70s and 80s. And of course, as you get down to the deep south, there's going to be some 90s as you head into Texas for today. All right, here's what's going on with the weather map. Put the fronts and systems on board. High pressure sitting now along the mid-Atlantic coastline means we're going to have a delightful day, but this little weather system coming across the Great Lakes will race through tonight and bring some clouds back in our direction and a threat of a shower or two. Not a whole lot of moisture will be with it, but nonetheless, the shower threat is back. So here's the close-up view. You can see we're going to be looking at mainly clear skies for today until the warm front starts to approach for tonight. In fact, it'll move through overnight tonight with a stray shower, strictly hit or miss, very late tonight. And then in between the fronts tomorrow, breaks the sunshine, and that'll get us back into the 60s. Till this cold front comes in for later tomorrow with another scattered shower or two into the evening. And once that goes by, cooler air, certainly by comparison, taking us back down to the low 50s on Wednesday with more in the way of clouds around. But the wind will be the main story. Could be gusting to 30 miles per hour on Wednesday. So here's the close-up look at how things are going to play out today. Notice we're well into the mid-60s for this afternoon. A little cooler along the south coast with the winds going into the southwesterly direction. So, yeah, you'd be mid and upper 50s in the afternoon. Now, the clouds blanket the region tonight, so no cold pockets showing up. Everybody's going to be in the mid-40s for lows. And then for tomorrow, we start off with a stray morning shower around. It hardly shows up on the map. Get into the midday, some breaks of sunshine, and our temperatures as a result, if we see enough sun, go back to the mid and upper 60s. But into the late afternoon, a stray light shower coming on through, and that's pretty much about it. All right, hey, let's jump ahead towards the upcoming weekend, shall we? Friday's looking good, high pressure moving offshore, but another weather system comes in for Saturday. Just means rain showers around, and the good news is it gets out of here in time for Easter Sunday. Looks like a nice day shaping up at this point. So here's the recap. Again, a morning shower tomorrow morning and a late day shower in the afternoon. But we're in the 60s today and tomorrow, cooling back to the 50s Wednesday and warming back towards 60 going into the weekend with that shower threat again on Saturday. But out of here for Easter Sunday. That's your latest